Hi, Nikki again from Hey Leaky. This time around, we're going to talk about the Favicon. But first, let us know what Favicon is. A Favicon is an icon associated with your HeyLink.me page. It is usually displayed in the browser's address bar, in bookmarks, tabs, and other interface elements. But there's more than what meets the eye, as it can be modified to your preferred icon. And let me show you how. It can be found in the Appearance tab, so you just have to scroll further down to see the favicon. For pro users, it can be updated or modified according to your preferences. As basic as it is, you can simply hit the upload file button, then look for the icon saved to your computer to change it. Then on your browser, give it a refresh. Then you'll now see the changes, where the icon on your browser's address bar changed into the icon you have uploaded. If you prepare the Hey Link Me icon, you can leave as is if you haven't uploaded anything. But if you do so, there's a small icon you can click to remove. See? And that's it. Thank you.